Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing features available on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Lastly, just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!